Here at Balmain, our purpose is to make everything you do in the kitchen fun, easy, and beautiful. That's why we've created this 6-cup espresso mocha maker. With a classic Italian aluminum design and an octagonal shape for even heat diffusion, this mocha pot makes rich Italian espresso, mocha, or latte in under 5 minutes. To use, simply unscrew the top section from the lower heating unit, remove the filter, and fill the lower chamber with cold water just below the valve. You can choose coffee made specifically for mocha brewing, or use your favorite medium ground coffee. Fill the filter with grounds without tamping it down, and place it in the lower chamber, making sure the rim is free of grounds. Tightly screw the top section back onto the threaded base, and set the maker on the stove at medium-low heat. If you're using a gas stovetop, make sure the flame is not larger than the bottom of the pot. Within 5 minutes, coffee will filter up into the top. Watch for steam and listen for a gurgling sound to let you know when it's ready. Then enjoy the rich, smooth aromas of your favorite brew. Balmain products are easy to clean. Avoiding soap, use warm water and non-abrasives to clean all the parts. Dry each part to keep your maker looking new. Your routine rejuvenated. For the classy way to make a cuppa, it's always Balmain.
Many coffee drink, so many coffee machine. Anything in Italy as long as we can pull off the perfect coffee. Think about the classic mocha espresso, the Italian staple for coffee at home. This, Italian sides, American sides. I'm kidding. This is depending on how many people you have around. If you are a lonely person and doesn't like company, or you're by yourself, you're a bachelor, whatever. You're a single guy or a single lady. These little things is perfect for one person. Actually, people are taking these, something little like this, when they go camping for a few days. They bring one with a little burner and they make coffee in the morning. It's perfect for backpack, very practical. Then there is the 3-person version. Makes the same coffee for 3 people, 6 people, 65,000 people. In my house, I have the 3 one, because I always like a big glass of coffee, and I have the big one in case I have people over. I don't want to make my guests wait 3-4 times if there is 10 people. That's perfect. Just use it for more.